This is Sugon's new product, the T66. Let's see what's included. Instructions, warranty card, certificate of conformity, 210 controller. It comes with 3 heating elements as standard. Power cable at the slip dock. Holding the console in my hands, it is really incredibly heavy. Wow, this is actually a rotating screen. This design is really amazing. This actually uses a gear structure. Left button is for temperature adjustment. The right is the brightness adjustment. There are 4 sets of storage channels. An expansion workstation interface on the back. Dual position soldering iron. Lift the handle. Heating up only takes 1 to 2 seconds. Heating up is really easy. This soldering station is really recommended.